everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 2 of this purple and I'm over it. Okay, I can't think of any purple looks to do, so this is the final purple for this. Okay, Sunday or probably Monday. Yeah, probably Monday. We'll move on to a new color because purple is not my friend. Okay, but I like this though. It's cute. Okay, it's just cute or whatever. But if you want to see I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment, like, share. Social medias link below. Okay. Yeah, like this is cute. I know me and purple just I can never be cute when I do it. Like I could put it in my crease, but as far as like an all purple eye, I just can't do it. And I had to add more color to this for me to even like this. So yeah, I tried. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna use my favorite palette, Slush palette, September Rose, KEAIRA. Okay, so we're going to take orange soda and cherry limeade, and then I'm gonna use some of these purples over here. Okay, so I know I'm supposed to be doing an all purple look, but it's like impossible for me to do like an all purple eye, just all purple. Like I can't even get myself to do that. So I'm just working my way around it. Okay, it's still gonna be purple, but it's gonna have another color in it. Okay. Okay. Okay, and hopefully this look turns out the way I want it to. Like I can see it in my head. I don't know. I just been having a day between my brows and my hair. Like I don't understand. I had to take my brow off and do it all over again. I hadn't had to do that in forever, and I mean forever ever. So today I'm like, excuse me. What's the issue? Okay, and this color is cherry limeade. And this will look a little messy at first once I get to what I'm actually doing. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of these dark purples over here.
Ryan Little.
Okay, then I'm going to go into the Brew palette and take this deep purple that's in here and a little bit of the black. And this is just me deepening up the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Colourpop concealer and Fair 00 and then the Elf glitter glue to place on top of it. Okay, so I already did one eye just to see what it was going to look like. This is not originally what I had planned to do. I was going to do a halo actually and have white in the middle, but we didn't get that. So I'm going to take this purple pigment. I think I got this from Cutie Popz if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Yeah, so initially I was going to do a halo, but I don't know. I just had this pigment sitting next to me and I was like, yeah, so that's what we're doing.
Ryan Little.
Okay, and I'm gonna take the purple I had put in my crease, the dark one from the Brew palette. And I'm gonna take dark cherry from the Slush palette. I may put some good glitter in my crease possibility, but I'm not sure right now. But okay. Okay, so I'm taking this blue and pink and purple glitter from Baddie Cosmetics. I don't know the name of it, but I will put it in the description. Okay. And this is gonna go across the eye, like not on top of the pigment, but almost as a liner. Okay. Okay, so this definitely would have looked better with a white base, but we here now already, so let's magnify it. Okay, so I still don't know how I feel about this look, but I don't know, maybe I like it once I put my lashes on. But again, I do not like purple eyeshadow on me. I don't know. It's just not cute to me. Not on myself anyway.
Ryan Little.